How to reset service light, oil service, on Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204, 2008 to 2014, in 5 easy steps. Close all doors, windows, hood and trunk when performing reset. 1. Turn the key in position 1. You should see the light from the tachometer. The kilometer or mileage counter must appear in the display. If not displayed, press the down button repeatedly until it displayed. 2. Press the phone button and the OK button and keep pressing for about 4 seconds until vehicle data is displayed. 3. Press up or down arrow buttons to search for Assist Plus and select it with OK button. 4. Then select Full Service, CONF Full Service, Yes and confirm. Confirm selection by pressing OK button. Five. Exit the menu with Return/Back button and then turn the key off. Then start the engine to verify the oil service indicator light has been reset. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.